Hi guys, welcome to my vlog again. For today's vlog, we will be heading to Anzac Bay. It's my day off today. Eto na naman si Auntie, inibintahan kayong maki-join sa amin and let's have fun. See you guys! Guys, we're here in Anzac Bay. So, muna sila na sila Rose, may mga information nila din. Guys, akyat tayo dito sa taas para makita natin at iba't ibang view. Guys, ito pala ang first view na makikita nyo dito sa taas. Hi guys! Welcome to Anzac Bay. Waihi Beach. Guys, nindot kayo guys. Look at the view. Parang nagsugod, nagmuni-muni akong bana guys. Look at the view guys. So nice. Guys. Oh, nice kayo guys. Super nice. Kamanghang-mangha ang tanawin na makikita mo dito sa spot na to. Ang ganda guys. Hindi ka talaga magsasawa. Para kang malulula sa kagandahan ng view ng tubig. At saka makikita mo may parang White Island. May nakilala kami kanina guys sa yung first na nastapan namin they're from Mata-Mata, so they said they catch a lot of fish guys. It looks like a White Island. Oh, White Island, so nice. Tingnan mo naman ang view. Parang mawawala saglit ng mga problema mo. Tingnan mo si Auntie. Oh, enjoy na enjoy siyang tignan ang tanawin. Ang ganda ng dagat. How I wish I can bring my kids here and experience what we have experienced. And wonders the beauty of New Zealand. Diba guys? Guys, ang biyahe pala namin mula Cambridge hanggang Anzac Bay is magano siya ng 1 hour and 32 minutes. Guys, ngayong araw ay Sabado dito. Expected na maraming mga families, mga friends na bumibisita sa mga tourist spots katulad ng nito. Guys, sa tourist spots na to, wala palang bayad ang pagpunta dito. At saka kung maliligo kayo, free din.
nice beach, nice weather, and there are plenty of families coming here.
Guys, here in New Zealand pala guys, during weekends, it's a family time. So, usually, mga locals, they will not go to work because they will spend to the family. Some are doing some games. Then on Sunday, usually majority of the people here in New Zealand are going to church and worship. Most of the stores are closed during these weekends, but essentials are open. Katulad ng pharmacy, supermarkets, pero mga big malls, they are open. Yung lang mga ibang like mga small boutiques. Mga car shops din, sarado sila, mga electrics, ganyan. Akyat na naman tayo, guys. Guys, another view na naman.
Init kayo, mas gwapo dito. Me.
So windy and nice. The weather. You can see everywhere. Ocean, sea. That's the Bowen Town. And the other side is the Anzac Bay. And there's Tauranga. If you can see the mountain in the center. Ay, mga part po guys na they tap on ocean. Yung asawa ko usually they dock there. Shore. Thank you for recommending this place, Marsha. I would like to shout out to Marsha, Charlito, Mr. Daylight, Art, Nina, Sam, Marcos, Kuya Makar, hello, Gina, Ate Leah, Julia, Ken, Scott, Alexis, Vanessa, Jessie, Oscar, Febby, Madison, and of course to Kuya Cyril, Ate Sheena, and Bunso Andrew Kern. So nice here, guys.
Ay po.
Guys, kung napabit tayo drone guys, grabe, mas ma-amaze yun mo guys. Kasi na gusto mag-donate sa ako kung ang drone guys. Willing kay kumudawat guys. Baka naman. Baka naman may mag-sponsor.
Lahat.
Guys, antik guys, kay feeling close. Feeling mga kailag guys. Para right, alright. Guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. See you on our next vlog. Bye.